Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to find out the winner from my Mask Monday from last week. I won, so can you. Laurie Latimer, I had won a mask from her, and you see it there. It was the 4 Sigmatic face mask that smells like chocolate. So I can't wait to use it, and I want to find out who the winner is. So let's hop over to the YouTube comment picker, and I do have the URL in. I have it filtered for duplicates. Our word was mask, and 8 plus 4 is 12, and let's find out our unique comments. We had 52, so now we're going to pop on down here and scroll down to find out who the winner is. So I want to wish you all the best of luck. This has a prize of 3 masks. And I will get this out to you as soon as possible, and you have 48 hours to contact me. You must be 18 years or older and have an address within the continental USA. So here we go. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Deb Braga. Hey, she says, Happy Mask Monday. Have a great week. Hey Deb, I know you are subscribed to me, so let's congratulate Deb. She is the winner. And Deb, you have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your mask out to you right away. And everyone, be sure and check my description box. I have a collaboration that's current with the Dollar Tree train, and I also will have one coming out this Saturday. There are other giveaways that are in my description box, and you can find out all about it for your chance to win. As for today, that's all I have. I want to thank you all for participating and supporting my channel. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.